You are watching Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel. Today I will talk with you about the value of self-respect. Every person in this world wants to lead a respectable and honorable life. It starts from self-respect. For self-respect, we need to have some credentials. In fact, we respect those credentials and also expect others to acknowledge them. One's credentials may be knowledge in some area, some skills, some abilities and capabilities. These credentials give us confidence which has positive impact on our conduct and behavior in the society. You can only respect yourself when you are aware of your credentials, and more importantly, you are aware of your weaknesses and continuously try to improve them. In this video, I will share with you how to develop and improve ability of self-respect and its value. Let's first discuss why self-respect is important. You are not alone in this world. You are a part of the society like a drop in the ocean. Every human being has a desire of being recognized. So, self-respect is directly linked with the world you are living in. Therefore, you must have developed some credentials to feel proud of. Famous Persian poet Sadi of Shiraz says, "Kasbe kamal kun ke azize jahan shabi." It means you do something important that you come precious for the world. Concept of self-respect is not that one person respects himself. I have been teaching my students in various countries to broaden the concept of self-respect in the context of the world. This is how you can connect yourself with the world to complete yourself. Just imagine that you respect yourself, but your family is not respected. The society you are living in has no respect, or your country has no respect in the world. In this situation, you cannot feel any respect for yourself. Therefore, yourself is not you as a person. This is you, your family, and then your family is obviously in a society, and then your country, and then your country in the global village. So, self-respect is the most important factor in determining your country's position in the world. Now I come to the most important part of the video, that is how to develop and improve your self-respect. I will move in logical sequence step by step. The most important is gain knowledge in your field. All creations or inventions result in creation of knowledge. But for creation of knowledge, first step is that you have to gain knowledge in your area. I cannot go into detail, but I will just mention different factors which are important for developing self-respect. Number 2 is never stop learning. Learning starts from cradle to grave. It has no end. Number 3 is maintain your emotional stability level. This is very important. If you are emotionally stable, then you can really display your credentials for the world, for the society. Number 4 is identify and improve your weaknesses. Because if you are not aware of your weaknesses, and if you do not have the quality of identifying that you may have some weaknesses, you cannot improve. So identifying weaknesses is a very important factor for self-respect. Number 5 is know your worth. I have observed, I have seen, I have undertaken research studies that many people living in rural areas, they are talented. Many people have some credentials, some qualities, some abilities, but they are not aware of their worth. So it is very important what is important in you, what you are good at. So identify that one also. Number 6 is never undervalue your talent. I have seen, again I would say, all over the world, wherever Pakistanis live, they are performing very good. They are lead performers in the world. But in Pakistan, we see that they don't have the confidence. They undervalue their talent. It is very important that you develop your confidence and never undervalue your talent. Number 7 is be active and don't criticize yourself. Again, I will talk about Pakistani society. We are habit of criticizing ourselves, that as if everything is bad in us or in our society or in our country. No, don't do this. Don't criticize yourself. Identify your good areas which you can further improve and publicize them, use them. That is a very good attitude. Number 8 is follow your heart and dreams, because your heart always speaks truth. So whatever your heart says, follow that. Dreams mean that you think big. As I said that you are a drop in the ocean, no, be an important part of that ocean. Say that you are an important part or drop in the ocean, that if you are not there or you are making some difference. Number 9 is stick to your values. What may come, never compromise, and always follow your values. Only then you will be respected and you will feel respect in yourself. And if you do not follow your values, at night when you will go to your bed, you will see you feel bad about yourself. So for self-respect, it is very important that you follow your values. Care yourself. We spend all the time for other people, going for the job, but we don't care for ourselves. Care for your diet, care for your health, care for your clothes, and then your extended self, that is your family. Care for your family. Number 11, be truthful. That means express what you feel is true, but express yourself politely and firmly. Number 12 is don't compromise anything for pleasing others. Again, this is a problem of not only Pakistani societies, but I have observed this is problem of neighbor countries like Iran, India, Bangladesh, and Maldives. They have this problem also, that we try to please others. For pleasing others, we compromise on many things. So Don't compromise anything for pleasing others. Be truthful. Number 13 is learn to say no when it is required. You will respect yourself when you develop this ability to say no when it is required. When you are asked to do anything against your values, against any laws, or against any norms, say no. This is an important credential of a person for developing self-respect. Number 14, no apologetic behavior. Again, you will find people in our society, they are very apologetic. When you have developed some credentials, when you are truthful, when you have developed the courage to say no to wrong things, you will see that your conduct and behavior will not be apologetic. So, number 15, don't say sorry for the mistake which is not yours. Was to say sorry, no. If you feel that this is really your mistake and you have to correct yourself, only then say sorry. Otherwise, don't say sorry for the mistakes which you have not committed. 16, conduct decently. This is very important. Whether you have weaknesses or you have very good credentials, you have strong points, but conduct yourself very decently. Your behavior must be very nice. Number 17, last but not the least, don't depend on others. Then you will have to compromise on your self-respect, especially at the country level. But it starts from self-respect. These are important factors which will give you adequate confidence to respect yourself. These factors will transform your personality, yourself, and you will observe that first you will start respecting yourself, and people's behavior towards you, you will find a changed behavior. People will respect you, and you connect it at higher level, that is family, society, your country, and your countrymen working abroad, you will be respected. If all individuals improve the self-respect, this will make us a very good society, and good society will turn into a marvelous country. So, self-respect, develop your self-respect.